Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
The best way to dispose of cooking oil and grease: let the oil or grease cool and solidify. Once cool and solid, scrape the grease into a container that can be thrown away. When your container is full, place it in a plastic bag to prevent leakage and then throw it in the garbage. 19 November 2018.
Take our lead.
How to deal with leftover frying oil. Cool. When you're finished frying, turn off the heat as soon as possible and allow the oil to cool completely. Strain. Pour the used oil through a fine mesh sieve lined with a couple layers of cheesecloth. Store. The 18th of February 2015.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.